Good evening. Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TS last set as well as the AP last set 2021 because it could be used for the both of the last sets. And here I posted something on the screen, and especially the participants. I would like to see that whether you could see my screen or not. So I would like the confirmation from them so that we can go ahead. Yes, I put it over there. There is only one difference between the dream and aim. Dream requires the effortless sleep, and aim requires the sleepless efforts. And sleep for the dreams and wake up for aims. This is the thing which is said by the Swami Vivekananda. This is the quotation from the Swami Vivekananda. Dream and aim both will, how it would be there. Suppose we want to achieve a certain aim, and where you have to sleep less dreams. If you sleep more, then dreams are more over there. So that was the relation that we will make. The effortless sleep, the dream requires effortless sleep, and the aim requires a sleepless efforts. That is the thing which is made it over there. And I am sure that I started at the 5 or even 5 2, but still we are waiting for the participants to join over there. Yes, already as Kurukunda Sharad Babu, as Anjaneyelu, we are welcome to the class. Now I will show you some other thing also on the, yeah, yes, yeah. And can anybody will tell that who is she? Yeah, especially from the participant side, including the Sandhya Rani madam, welcome. But I could not see your microphone. Please again rejoin. Yes, now the joining one after another, Syed Jamalur Rahman. And could you find it out what I put on the screen? Who is she? Yes, I can give you a hint also.
She's Taslima Nasrin, I think.
No, no, no. She is not a Taslima Nasreen. Yes, the next second choice. Whose photos which I put it on the screen can from the participant side. Second choice. She is reached the Guinness Book of World Record. Of course, she is no more. She died. She is the Indian origin but settled in USA.
Sir is mathematics first.
She Shakuntala Devi.
Yes, she is Shakuntala Devi. She is no more now, but she is Shakuntala Devi. And Shakuntala Devi is the 4th November 1929, and she died in the 21st April 2013. Was an Indian mathematician, writer, and the mental calculator, popularly known as the human computer. HUMAN, human computer, COMPUTER. Her talent earned her a place in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Record, and her name would be there. As the next photograph, can anybody will get an idea that who is she? And she is a practicing lawyer, and she has defended the very powerful case of the woman, and the case law is Nirbhaya case she defended, and her name is, any idea? Anyone, including the host, the co-host also. Yes, here I have shown that Seema Samriddhi Kushwaha, and she is defended the Nirbhaya case, and she is a Nirbhaya case lawyer. So with this, I would like to give the chance to our learned friend, and then we will continue it. Yes, let me save this file so that we can go for the your file. I can also this save the file. Then we can go to the, yes. I think I have not opened. No, I opened the file. Okay, let me check it. This, let me close this one. Then yeah, it is one of the thing which I want to make it out. Yes, Sharad Babu sir. Yes, your file is here, and you know that from where you have to start it. Yes, yes, sir. From where you have to start it. One, 85 or 84? 84 you are completed. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me, participants?
Yes, yes, yes. I
But
have
why
to
you are not
start
giving the answer? Could you see the? Could you see the screen?
I have to start from question number 185.
Yes, yes. But when I'm asking you, and you are not giving the okay. Whenever you feel any difficulty, because in yesterday class, when I was dealing it, and screen would not be shown, nobody has brought to my notice. I was in the impression that the screen you could see it. But anyway, please bring to the notice of me if anything problem is there. Yes, start now 185. Right.
Yes. Good evening, one and all. Till yesterday, we completed GK questions up to 184, and now it's the time to start from question number 185. And first of all, I would like to thank the participants and Mohammed Sahib Hussain sir and my co-host Srivijaya and my law classmate Sanjay Reddy Garu. So I thank one and all on this occasion, and let us start the question. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourselves. The famous man's quotation is this one: Albert Einstein, Swami Vivekananda, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, M.K. Gandhi. Whose quotation was it? Is it Albert Einstein, or is it Swami Vivekananda, or is it Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, or is it Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma? And he's
I mean,
also our
even though it is wrong, also
father
please
of the
try.
nation.
Yeah,
Yesterday the response was good,
yeah, yeah.
and I expect more than that response today, but no one is coming forward to answer.
You give the answer.
Yes, it is Swami Vivekananda, the great philosopher of India, gave this slogan or gave this quotation, that is, I quote, the greatest religion is to be true to your own nature, have faith in yourselves, I unquote. That is given by Swami Vivekananda. Next, question number 186. I quote, it is a curious phenomenon that God has made the hearts of the poor rich and those of the rich poor. So, I unquote. So, this was given by another famous man. Was it Vinoba Bhave, or was it Swami Vivekananda, or was it Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, or was it M.K. Gandhi? Of course, these great people are no more now, but they gave this famous slogan or quotation, whatever you may call. Yes, anyone?
Make a try. Doesn't matter. There is no negative marks.
Yes, Sanjarani madam, you too can answer. There is no bar from answering this question.
When no one is giving, everybody can
Yes,
participate it.
it was Vinoba Bhave who gave this slogan, and it is a curious phenomenon that God has made the hearts of the poor rich and those of the rich poor. So now 187. Who started the Bhudan movement? Lala Lajpat Rai, Vinoba Bhave, Prakasham Pantulu, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa.
Sir, Vinoba Bhave, sir. Second.
Yes, this movement was started by, from Bhudan movement was started by Vinoba Bhave. Option 2 is the correct answer. And incidentally, he was also the founder of Sarvodaya movement, Sarvodaya, and Vinoba Bhave started Bhudan movement, through which he collected thousands of acres of land, which was distributed to poor people, poor landless people. And now question number 188. Where was Chipko movement started or originated? Where was Chipko movement started or originated? Tibetan region, Sikkim region, Himalayan region, Meghalaya region. Chipko movement?
Himalayan region, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
it was
Himalayan
Himalayan. Yes, your answer is right. Option 3 is the correct answer. It was started in the Himalayan region by none other than Sundarlal Bahuguna, S.L. Bahuguna, who recently passed away. He was a famous environmentalist who started this Chipko movement. Chipko means hug, hug. The literal meaning of this word is Chipko is hug. So one who hugs the tree can save the tree. This was the main motto of this Chipko movement, and it was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna, and he was a great environmentalist, and he was the main reason for this Chipko movement, and he started this in Himalayan region. 188A. How many stories are there in Qutub Minar? Qutub Minar is a famous monument, and stories. How many stories are there? 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there?
It is. I will show you the photo. It is. Can you make it out, sir? The whole stories are not seen over there, sir. How could you make it out?
Yes, the answer is very clear. Option 3 is the correct answer. There are 5 stories. There are 5 stories in Qutub Minar. Where is Qutub Minar? Can anyone say? Qutub Minar is in Delhi, New Delhi. Yes. Now, question number 189. Who built Qutub Minar? Who built Qutub Minar? Of course, the answer is given there. Qutubuddin Aibak built this Qutub Minar, and he belonged to slave dynasty, and he laid the foundation in 1199 AD. And this is the story behind this Qutub Minar. Now, question number 190. Who is the father of Operation Flood?
Classroom.
Was it Tribhuvan Das Patel in Anand? Was it Dr. Verghese Kurian? Was it Dr. C.R. Das? Was it Dr. Borlal? What is the correct answer? Which answer do you choose? Which option do you choose? Operation Flood. This question came in a different way previously earlier, and that was White Revolution. Who is the father of White Revolution?
The same
And
person here.
the option is 2. The correct answer is option 2, Dr. Verghese Kurian, and he dedicated National Milk Day. National Milk Day is dedicated to Dr. Verghese Kurian, who was the architect of Operation Flood, which is also called White Revolution. The program which he led from India, and India being the 50th world in terms of milk production to become the largest producer in just a couple of decades. How did question number 191? How did Amul get its name or derived from Sanskrit word? Amulu, Amula, Amulya, Amuli. So from which from Sanskrit word it was derived, and what is that Sanskrit word?
Amolia.
Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. I appreciate the answer. And also appreciate the participant who gave this answer. Amulya is the correct answer. And this is a Sanskrit word which means priceless or precious. In the subsequent years, Amul made cheese and baby food on a large commercial scale again, processing buffalo milk, creating a history in the world. Now this Amul has entered even Andhra Pradesh. Recently, there was an agreement between Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy and the Amulya's officials. So now it has entered Andhra Pradesh also. The question number 192. Amul is an Indian dairy cooperative society based at Dash in the Indian state of Gujarat. Bhavnagar, Rajkot, Anand, Gandhinagar. Bhavnagar, Rajkot, Anand, Gandhinagar. This is a very familiar place. One who knows Amul must know this name also. It started from this place. If you happen to see any advertisement regarding Amulya, you can find this place also. If ever you have happened to see this in any newspaper as advertisement. So the place, the option 3 is the correct answer. Anand is the correct answer. There, from there, it started this Amul, Indian Dairy Cooperative Society started, and it has benefited so many farmers who had this dairy as an industry. 193. What is full form of Amul, founded in 1946 through the efforts of Tribhuvan Das Patel? Ahmedabad Milk Union Limited, Amulya Milk Union Limited, Anand Milk Union Limited, Enclave Milk Union Limited. Of course, from the previous answer, you can get some tip also to answer this question. So it is
Option two.
Anand. Option 3 is the correct answer. It is
Yes. The participant has
Anand.
given the answer. Yeah, it is said
Amulya.
Anand. Yes, he said he is Anand.
Option 3 is the correct answer. Anand Milk Union Limited. So it started from that place, and the Anand, and with that name, that is Amul originated. Amul name was given Anand Milk Union Limited. It was started by Tribhuvan Das with the efforts of Tribhuvan Das Patel.
But you can say also that earlier Amul will be known as Khaira District Milk Union Limited.
Okay. And question number 194. Who is the founder of BHU? BHU stands for Benares Hindu University. It was started by whom? Rabindranath Tagore, Lala Lajpat Rai, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Prabhu Narayan Singh. Who was the founder of? Who founded BHU?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, the option
3.
3 is the correct answer. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya is the founder of BHU. You can, if you happen to visit, if you visit Varanasi or Kashi or Banaras, you can see a statue of Madan Mohan Malviya in front of BHU, because my neighbor studied in that university. He graduated. He got post graduation in chemistry from that university, and I am very proud to have him as my neighbor here at Khammam. So BHU was founded by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. 195. The first vice chancellor of Osmania University, Nawab Aliavar Jang Bahadur, Professor Maulana Habibur Rahman Khan Sherwani, Professor Salar Jang Bahadur, Professor D.S. Reddy, who was the first vice chancellor of Osmania University. Of course, it may seem to be somewhat a difficult question, and if no one answers, the option 2 is the correct answer. Professor Maulana Habibur Rahman Khan Sherwani. Professor Maulana Habibur Rahman Khan Sherwani was the vice chancellor of Osmania University. Of course, we have come across this question also. Who was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University? Aligarh Muslim University. Professor Syed Ahmad Khan was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University, AMU. And one more thing is in Delhi, Jamia Millia Islamia is there, and it was founded by one of the members, Zakir Hussain, who was president of India once. 196. What is the motto in English of Osmania University? Lead us from kindness to light, lead us from shade to light, lead us from darkness to light, lead us from blackness to light. What was the motto? What was the slogan? What was the aim that was for the Osmania University in English? And option 3 is the correct answer. Lead us from darkness to light. Always we go from darkness to light. You can guess this answer if you think a little while. You can guess this answer because from kindness we need not go to light. From shade, of course, that looks awkward. From blackness to light also looks awkward. But from darkness to light seems to be appropriate. So the correct answer is option 3. So lead us from darkness to light. Now, question
Feedback you
number
read.
1.
Feedback you read.
Praise Nooran Allah Noor. It also contained the hadith, I am the city of knowledge and Ali is its gate. The present emblem contains inscriptions in Telugu and Sanskrit. The new logo has the Urdu letter Ain or Ain in between. Ain in between. So if you visit the arts college, then you can find this I am the city of knowledge and Ali is its gate. This emblem contains inscriptions in Telugu and Sanskrit. And question number 197. Who was the first vice chancellor of Andhra University? Sir C.R. Reddy, Sir C.A. Reddy, Sir P.J. Reddy, Sir C.R. Reddy, Sir D.S. Reddy. Yes, with his name, there is a college in Yellore also. In Yellore, there is a college with his name. Is it, what is that?
CR Reddy.
Yes, that is the correct answer.
Reddy.
In Yellore, there is C.R. Reddy College, and he worked as he was once vice chancellor of Andhra University. Can you expand his name?
Here I
His
put it
name
there. Kattamanchi.
Katamanchi Ramalinga Reddy. Katamanchi Ramalinga Reddy is his complete name, his full name, and he was the first vice chancellor of the Andhra University. Of course, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan also worked as vice chancellor of this university, famous university. And 198, in whip jar, which color is not there? Is it indigo? Is it yellow? Is it purple? Is it blue? Very easily you can answer. In whip jar, this color is not there. Is it indigo? Is it yellow? Is it purple? Is it blue? There is no P in this whip jar.
Use the logic.
Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. Purple is the color which is not there in whip jar. So in whip jar, violet, V stands for violet, I stands for
Just a
indigo.
minute. Danda Lingaya, you unmute it because I am getting your sound. Thank you very much for Danda Lingaya. Yes, thank you. Okay,
P
proceed.
stands for blue, G stands for green, Y stands for yellow, O stands for orange, R stands for red. So now question number 199. What is combination of 1 and 2? 1 dash and 2 oxygen. I think sir, I would like to mold this question like this.
Yeah.
What is the combination of 1 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of, no, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen?
H2O. Yeah. It is a 2. It is
Of course,
actually it is
actually it should be like this. Water is
reverse.
combination of,
It should
water
be
is
reverse.
combination of 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of dash. So the correct answer is,
No, I made it. Yeah.
the
You say
correct answer
H2O.
is option 4 is the correct answer. That is H, because water molecule contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So in hydrogen peroxide, there are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of oxygen, H2O2. But in water, 2 atoms of hydrogen are there and 1 atom of oxygen is there. So H2O. Now, the last question, 200, is the filament in electric bulb is made of silver, aluminum, tungsten, brass.
Sir.
Yes, tungsten is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. The filament in electric bulb is made of tungsten. Of course, I can proceed because some more questions are there. 201. Match the following countries with their capitals. Countries are Taiwan, Turkey, Zambia, Libya. Capitals are Lusaka, Tripoli, Taipei, Ankara. Very easy question this is. If someone is familiar with newspapers, they can easily answer this question. Be a continuous reader of newspapers at least till the exams, till the TS law set or AP law set is over. I advise strongly to go through newspapers these days till
Yes, good
you
answer.
complete your TS law set or AP law set. The correct answer is option 3 because Taiwan is matched with Taipei. Taiwan's capital is Taipei. Turkey's capital is Ankara. Zambia's capital is Lusaka. Libya's capital is Tripoli or Tripoli. Now, question number 202. Match the following countries with their capitals. Now, countries are Belgium, Botswana, Fiji, Ireland.
I'm online, I will call you later.
Capitals are Suva, Dublin, Brussels, Gaborone. So options are given here. 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C. 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B. Which one is the correct option?
2.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Belgium matches with Brussels because its capital is Brussels. Botswana's capital is Gaborone, and Fiji's capital is Suva. Ireland's capital is Dublin. So that is the correct matching. Now, question number 203. Match the following countries with their capitals. Korea, South Korea, Germany, Indonesia, North Korea. Capitals are Berlin, Seoul, Pyongyang, Jakarta. Options are 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B. These are the options. What is the correct option?
Option 1, sir.
Option 1 is the correct answer. I appreciate. Is it who's that girl? Anusha? Akila. I appreciate. 1B, South Korea matches with Seoul. See, South Korea, yes, SS. So you can remember with the mnemonics.
Yeah.
So South Korea, Seoul, Germany, Berlin, Indonesia, Jakarta, North Korea, Pyongyang. Two N's are there. So you can match with North Korea. Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea. Now, match the following countries with their currencies names. Countries are Cuba, Gambia, Haiti, Indonesia. Currencies are Rupiah, Gaude, Dalasi, Peso. The options are 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. 1D, 2A, 3B, 4C. 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B.
We can use the deductive method.
Option 4.
So option 2 is the correct answer. Cuba's currency is peso. Gambia's currency is dalasi. Haiti's currency is gaude. Indonesia's currency is rupiah. So Indonesia, rupiah. So
Muslim country. It is a Muslim country.
Yes.
Indonesia is a Muslim country because I told you if a person will not do a Hajj, they are not eligible for the marriage. The prerequisite is that a person should have to perform the Hajj. There's a pilgrimage to Makkah. And that's the reason you will find a lot of Indonesians will be there in the Hajj. Yeah, this time I think I think the Saudi Arabia did not allow it. Yes. Go on. Next.
Question number 205. Match the following countries with their currency's name. Kazakhstan, South Korea, Laos, Lesotho. Currencies are tenge, 1 kip, loti. Options are 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. 1B, 2A, 3C, 4D. 1A, 2B, 3D, 4C. 1A, 2C, 3B, 4D.
See, I collected the toughest one because the easy one that you can make it out. Suppose if I say Russia, you can say the ruble. If I say the dinar and the Saudi Arabia, you can make it out real and dinar. Because Kuwait dinar is there, Kuwait and Saudi reals are there. And if I say the Bangladesh, you can say the taka. So the easy thing that you could generally read it over there, but the toughest thing that you will not read. Suppose if such a thing will be also there, then you will be in a position to make it out. Yes, that's my intention.
Yes, anyone?
You give the feedback.
Yes. Question option 1 is the correct answer. Kazakhstan's currency is tenge. South Korea's currency is 1. Laos currency is kip. Lesotho's currency is loti. So now question number 206. Match the following countries with their currencies names. The countries are Nigeria, Mozambique, Malaysia, Madagascar. Name of the currencies: Ariary, Ringgit, Metkal, Naira. Of course, one of these currencies we have come across earlier
You
on.
already discussed when you were discussing earlier classes. I told you Naira belongs to the Nigeria. There is the NN. You can keep it.
Yes.
So that
The
was the thing.
options are 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2A, 3B, 4C, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A. So option 3 is the correct answer. 1D, 2A, 2C, 3B, 4A. Madagascar's currency is Ariary. Malaysia's currency is Ringgit. Mozambique's currency is Metikal. Nigeria's currency is, we have already discussed, that is Naira. Now, question number 207. Match the following countries with their currencies names. Norway, Panama, Russia, Thailand. These are the countries. Balboa, Kron, Baht, Ruble. These are the currencies. And how will you match? 1B, 2A, 3C, 4D. 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. 1A, 2B, 4D, 3D, 4C. 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C. The correct matching is, this is somewhat easy question.
Yeah.
And the correct matching, the correct option is 1, 2. That is Norway matches with Kron. Panama matches with Balboa. Russia matches with Ruble. Thailand matches with Baht. Yes, in Thailand there is THA, and in Baht also AHT is there, reversed. So these are the things you have to develop for your mnemonics.
Even Russia also. Russia ruble. RU.
Yes. So with you can make it easy for you, provided you repeat quite often. 208. Major city in which country compare or match correctly. So these are the major cities, and to the right side are countries. Phoenix, Vancouver, Kobe, Brisbane. These are the major cities in the countries that are given in the next list. The countries are Australia, Japan, Canada, USA. So how will you match? 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2A, 3B, 4C, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1C, 2A, 3B, 4D. How will you match?
If I give you New York, if I give you Los Angeles, everybody can make it out. If I give the Pennsylvania also, you can make it out. If I give that another country like what I say, Mexico and Chicago, you can make Texas, Boston, you can make it out. That's why I took a peculiar and phonics.
Yes, Phoenix is in USA.
Yes.
And And Vancouver is in Canada. Kobe is in Japan, and Brisbane is in Australia. In Brisbane, even cricket matches are played.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yes.
Let me add some other point also, because in Canada, we can make it generally we'll say Toronto and a region Ontario
Yes.
and Quebec.
Yes, yes.
These are the things we can say. But USA, I already told you, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Texas, Boston, and
In fact,
Indiana,
Canada's,
Dakota.
Canada's capital is Ottawa.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah, yes. Canada capital is Ottawa.
Yes.
And when you come to the Australia, also, Melbourne,
Melbourne is the
Sydney.
capital. Yes,
Perth.
Japan's capital is Tokyo.
Yes. Come to the Japan, even many cities are there. I think is it Mississippi also a city or country? I don't know.
I don't
Exactly. Yeah, that also
Mississippi
is.
is definitely a river, but I don't know whether it is
Yes.
the city is there or not.
Yeah, but
209.
this is easy questions. I don't know whether I could make it out or not.
City in which state or union territory UT in India compared or matched correctly? Cities are Kanpur, Dharwad, Shimla, Gwalior, and state or UT are Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. Matchings are options are 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C, 1A, 2D, 3C, 4B. What is the option?
I think at least I could get the answer from the participant, at least this one.
Option 2, sir.
Yes, that's the right answer.
Yes.
Kanpur is in Uttar Pradesh. Dharwad is in Karnataka. Shimla, you are already familiar with the apples which are available in Shimla. Shimla apples, that is Himachal Pradesh, which is a very cold region. Gwalior, that is in Madhya Pradesh. So these are the cities and the states in which these cities are found. 210. City in which state or UT in India compared or matched correctly? Cities are Kashi or Varanasi or Benares, Srikalahasti, Ajmer Sharif, Khwaja Bande, Nawaz Dargah, and states are Gulbarga, Karnataka, Rajasthan, India, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh, Varanasi, UP. Okay. Where these are found? 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A.
It's 1, sir.
Yes, the option 1 is the correct answer. Kashi, that is also in Varanasi, UP. Srikalahasti is in Chittoor. Srikalahasti is a famous temple which is in Chittoor district, and also the city is Chittoor itself. Andhra Pradesh, Ajmer Sharif is it is a Dargah, I think.
Yeah.
Rajasthan, India. Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah, that is in Gulbarga, Karnataka. So these are the correct matching,
Yes.
correctly matched cities and places.
Yeah.
Now,
Let me take the lead. Yes. Now also I made some certain thing. Welcome back. And who is the first person who reached the first on moon? Yes, sir. It is already given. No, sir. The feedback.
It's a 3.
3, sir. 3.
Yes, it's the Commander Neil Armstrong. He is the first person and who entered later on the Buzz Aldrin came over there, and later 6 hours later. Then let come to who is the first woman landed on moon? Lorian Flora, Louis Bratta, Aldrin Sweetie, none of the above. Make a trial. No matter. There is no minus marks.
1, sir, again.
Second option. Second option. It is none of the above. because no woman has
Sir,
landed on the moon. And
sir,
who
I
was
want to
yeah, please.
add one more thing, sir. Here,
Yes, yeah,
while landing on the moon, while stepping on the moon, Neil
yes.
Armstrong said,
Said,
sir, said one thing. That is quotation.
yeah, one quotation is there.
Yes, it is a small step for a man. It is a giant leap for mankind.
Yes.
It is a small step for man, but a giant leap for mankind.
The reason behind is there. If you make a small jump, there is a big jump. It will be bigger. The reason is there is no Akarshana Shakti. What is the saying?
Gravitation, sufficient
Gravitation pull.
gravitation.
Gravitational pull is
For,
not there. That's why that you
for,
will make it. You will float it.
for
Yes. Next.
example, a
Yeah.
person is 60 kgs on Earth and he is only 10 kgs on Moon, sir, because 1/6 of gravitation is there on the Moon.
Yes. So next, let us come because there is no woman at all, and is landed on the moon. And that the third question is, who is the first woman pilot in the world? Is Wilmer Starchet, Richard Connor, Amelia Mary Earhart, and none of the above? The first woman pilot in the world. The answer is Amelia Mary Earhart. But after some time, they said they disappeared. She disappeared. But anyway, that the name goes to the Amelia Mary Earhart is the first woman pilot in the world, and who is known as Wizard of Maths. N.B. Prasad, N.B. Prakash, and Shakuntala Devi or C.V. Raman.
V. Raman.
No, it is N.B. Prakash. He is the Wizard of Mathematics. C.V. Raman is the number theory. He is mathematician. That feedback is an Indian mathematician who holds the world record for doing the finest mental, that the mathematics performing calculation faster than the calculator. That's a say the name, the reward is given is the Wizard of Maths, and is none other than the 20 years old from Hyderabad, Neelakanta Bhanu Prakash. He is the mathematician of the hour and a student from St. Stephen's. He has a gold medal for his frightening speed and accuracy, and his mind is so sharp than the even a calculator. So he was given the award of the known as a wizard of maths. That is N.B. Prakash. But Shakuntala Devi, I told you that human computer, and C.V. Raman is a number theory expert. C.V. Raman. So which country gave zero to the world? Because zero is invented.
India.
Cambodia, Japan, China, and India. Yes, answer you are right. Repeat.
India.
India is the country which has given the zero. And who found the zero in India? Actually, who propagated it? Who found somebody? Because they say Aryabhatta invented it, but is propagated with the another person would be there. Yes. But here, the famous person is mathematician Narayana Gupta, mathematician Brahma Gupta, mathematician Vishnu Gupta, mathematician Anushka Gupta. Still 5 minutes are there in our hand. Answer is
Vishnu Gupta.
Brahma Gupta. The first modern equivalent numeral 0 comes from the Hindu astronomer and a mathematician Brahma Gupta in 628. His symbol to depict the numeral was a dot underneath a number. And what or which color light could be used at the time of fog? When the fog is too much, then which color of the light can be used, which can pierce through the fog?
Yellow.
Bright yellow, bright blue, bright green, bright red, bright yellow. Generally, headlights are there. The bright yellow, they will use it when they are riding in the place where the fog is too much. You cannot see the man. You see only the clouds over there. Yes. Feedback is the fog lamp must be either white or bright yellow, but generally the bright yellow could be used over there for the fog piercing light. Yes. Yes, now except my students should not tell it. Let the participant will tell it. Give the answer for this question. What is the full form of LLB? because now you are sitting for the LLB entrance examination. But I would like to know what is the full form of LLB. Sir, we know it, sir. Bachelor of Laws. Yes, one is
Option
Bachelor
C.
of Laws. I said yes.
Option 3, sir.
Yes, that is true. That is a Bachelor of Law license by the law. It is a Legum Baccalaureus. Legum, Legum Baccalaureus. Baccalaureus. That is the right answer because that is the Latin terminology is there. For LLM, you can say Legum Magister, but L will be added over there because this Legum L and Laureus L it will be taken. Legum means law, Bacca means bachelor, Laureus means science. These two added over there. That's why when you are writing the LLB, you don't write L full stop, B full stop. No. L means double L full stop, B full stop. What is the another name for the full stop? Anyone? Hurry up, hurry up. If you know it, you tell me. If not, pass on. Yes, my students can reveal it. Of course, co-host can reveal it. Full stop synonyms. One is full stop. Sir, dot. Okay. Sir, point. Okay.
Period.
Period also there. That's the point what I want to get from you. And which beach is a big in India? Is it Kolam Beach, Juhu Beach, Marina Beach, or Bagai Beach?
Marina Beach.
It is a Marina Beach. Kolam Beach in Kerala, Juhu Beach in Bombay, Marina Beach in Tamil Nadu, Anna Square opposite, Baga Beach. I think this is in Goa. Yes, Marina Beach is a Chennai along the Bay of Bengal in India's longest and world's second largest beach. This predominantly sandy of nearly 12 kilometers extend from Basant Nagar in the south of the fort to St. George in the north. Yes, what is the beautiful state in India? Is it Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, or Tamil Nadu?
Kerala.
Kerala,
It is
sir.
a Kerala is a beautiful place because Kerala is one of the prettiest states, rightfully dubbed as the God's own country. Here you will find the pristine beaches of the Kovalam and Mujabballi Kand, that is another beach, and the Varkala is another beach. You will find it, but Kovalam is the good one because I happened to go over there, the Kovalam beach, and that's why I saw it. Yes. If any other thing that you would like to ask me, ask. Otherwise, we are the host here. And can anybody will read it? Sanya Rani, you read.
Sir. Hello.
Yes, read.
This one, sir. Oh. Sir, host Professor Dr. M.S. Hussain, Muhammad Sahib Hussain, Sri Kolakonda Sarath Babu, Miss Motabarri Sri Vidya, Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain, WhatsApp number 919701440939. Sri Kolakonda Sarath Babu, WhatsApp number 919490983119. Miss Motamarri Sri Vidya, WhatsApp number 919100587622. Your feedback is immense.